All right, last one.
This drone flight through Chicago's Wrigley Field will make anyone a Cubs fan. Ooh, look at the drones going through the fire truck around the stadium. This is the old scoreboard. What are the oldest stadiums in sports, really? I don't know what year it was built. Maybe I can find out. Early 1900s. Maybe it says here. But I love that these things hang around, that they don't just rebuild everything. There's been so many new stadiums recently. Well, you have Fenway, you have Wrigley, and it's so historic. You got to maintain these type of things, and not everyone's going to have a chance to visit there. So this drone definitely gives you the feeling of being like in the atmosphere or environment on game day. And of course, I had to pay attention to the training facility when it went through there. I was like, let me see what they got going on in there.
Yeah.
In the training facility. But look, it's a whole atmosphere even outside the park. Leading up to the game. Got the water park for the kids. There's a little turf area. There's live music. What do you think? You feel like going to the ball game, Will, or what?
I like this. This
Yeah.
is really fun.
Yeah.
It paints a whole picture of a vibe.
Oh, it's absolutely a vibe.
There's history and obviously the technical aspects of drone flying. I wonder if this was one take, and it's not, but they make it very seamless.
So were you able to find where the cut happens?
There's a couple cuts.
Okay, yeah.
But the way that they do it, you're not wasted in like the experience. You're not taken out of it. So
It's got to be one of the quickest, smoothest ways to get an entire tour of the stadium.
yeah.
Right? No person, like, how would you replicate this without a drone? You wouldn't. Like,
Right.
this drone is just moving and grooving smoothly through all the attractions, including getting access to areas that you can't or probably won't. Oh, it buzzed past that guy's head. He had to be briefed in advance. That was close to his head. He must have been briefed in advance. It's coming through now. 3, 2, 1. And then it's choreographed. He goes for the walk.
Did you see that?
Yeah. What, polishing the trophy? Oh, that was a cut.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's okay, Will.
No, nothing wrong with it.
That's okay, Will. Come on.
I like the fact
We're not going to
that-
go cut hunting here. This is wonderful piloting
no.
going on. This is
Not at all.
beautiful stuff. I like the cavernous areas, like deep in the building like this.
Executive hallways.
Yeah, we're into the locker room, and the training thing is coming up here pretty soon, which was my favorite aspect. It's right around here. I also just love how the activity doesn't stop. They're all ignoring the camera and the drone. You know, they've all been briefed. Ignore the drone when it gets near you,
Yes.
so that it seems more realistic. Like, I don't think I can catch one person looking at it. Oh, never mind. That guy was just recording it. But most people are not.
like,
and they timed it right as they're coming out onto the field. It's lovely stuff. Good stuff.
Business as usual.
And then the stands are full, and lovely execution. Awesome. We're about to start the playoffs here, actually. We started the playoffs here 56 minutes ago.
Oh, okay.
I got to check what the Jays are up to. Let's check right now. Oh, no. Losing 3-0. Ah!
They'll come back.
Oh, man. Top of the third. I sure hope they do. Kirk is at the game right now. Kirk, you best be cheering. And whoever's watching this already knows the outcome. But
Yeah, exactly.
let's go, Jays. All right. Later, guys.